Thanks for joining me. I'm Tiara with Loving with Tiara. I am so happy to talk to you guys today. I just got back from taking my little boy to the orthodontist. I went yesterday. I'm always cold, even in my own house, but I'm in menopause, so I'm sweating all at the same time. So that explains the bare arms, cold, hot heater, and the scarf T balance. Got a lot going on with menopause. So I like to talk about it, and I talk about it here often for those of you who are experiencing or are concerned, are preparing, that's a better word, preparing for your menopausal journey. I like to say I welcome it with force, because it was kind of forced upon me with a medically needed hysterectomy. So there is all that there for the menopause plug. Anyhow, got lots of plugs just on my bracelet though there. So I also got the blood clot plug for those of you looking for an update on blood clots. I am still alive. Let me get this tea started for those of you here with Tea Time with Tiara. We are going to get that tea started. What are we having? A simple tea from Trader Joe's, an Irish and English now. Irish breakfast tea from Trader Joe's. That's what we're popping in this little doohickey here. I could use the extra caffeine, so I'm going to do 2 of those. This is a kind of small cup. No, I'm going to go for it. Why, Tiara? That's too much. Just do 1. I think the recipe says 1. I always go extra. My water is hot and ready. So, which cup am I using today? Queen. What does it say? Queen of everything. You better preach. 3 minutes is going to be on the clock. Why? Because that's how I like it. Yes. Bingo. Those of you here for the weight loss and fitness, let's get an arm shot. And bring it in. Don't spill it for you ninjas that are here for any of my other services. So, tea in, timer on, and go. Put my little top right on there, just like that, and tea will be prepared for the queen. Shall we wait? No, we shall not wait. We should keep this party rolling. But my throat is a little bit dry, is it not? Over here I have a little spritzer. What's in my spritzer? Okay, no alcohol, because you guys know that upsets my stomach. If it was like wine or beer, I can do a little of that hard alcohol. Don't do that much either, because it does give me a little rumbly in my tumbly. So, this, my friends, is some pomegranate juice, some water, and an apple Aussie. Yeah, I use the water to dilute it. You know, I was a diabetic. I'm not using this for fruit juice as a actual nutrient for my body. I'm just using this to be cute. Okay? Cute in a kind of like I still want to be myself and have, sparkling soda water as my soda. Like the Aussie. Like it's still soda, but it's different, right? Or we like to think it's all the same. Crap, it's just sugar. A little healthier sugar, so I go with that one. But, choices. I choose to have a healthier, watered down, watery beverage with fruit juice and water. Did I mention the water? And what else? Pomegranate juice. Yep, the real kind, not the kind that's like 10%. Lots of ice. Why? Because I still need to cut that sugar, even with the water. Why? Because I cured my diabetes. I cured it. I know. Look at me flexing. I freaking cured my diabetes. Yep, sure did. 39 seconds on the clock for you guys who were playing ninja games with me. So we have to keep the time rolling for ninja games. Yeah, cured my diabetes. So those of you who are looking for assistance with that type of journey, I'm here. I have workshops coming up that will teach you ways to change your eating, change your thinking, change your nothing. Don't change anything. Actually, just let's work together and just add some stuff. I got some tips and things that I can help you. Or I should just tell you, they worked for me. So, yes, I like to memorize how many beeps in between because it helps me with a clock. I can keep abreast of time. Anyhow, I'm so excited about a little tea. Right? Okay. There it is. I know that's about, 15 seconds? Something like that. I know. I just started working on my arms again, you guys. Let's see where we're starting. Let's do, what is this? Our Mr. Who used to do his arms? I don't really know how to flex like that. I just know how to lift weights. Oh, shout out to my girl out in Vegas. Goldie, I'm just loving your arms. Loving. They are coming together nicely. I do want to let you know that. And all my girls at the gym and my guys at the gym and my people out in San Diego, everybody who is just trying to live a healthy life and the plant life. Do you guys see this? I'll put these up here. I'm just so excited. All my ADD people, this video was for you and me. Let's get that tea bag out of there before it tastes like ish. Who wants ish? I don't want ish. I'm talking, but I ain't talking that much. Oh, put that little tea bag right on top. Oh, that's so pretty. I just love it. Anyhow, I'm going to go with some mimosa honey, a bit nutty, product of Brazil. Yep, just like that. Came in a sampler, 4 ounces of pure honey, it says. Came in a sampler from Trader Joe's, back around the holidays. Yep, just a little bit. I want to just but I don't really like honey like that. I just use it as a sweetener, and I'm starting to appreciate the flavor a little more. So, let's give her a whirl today. Why? Does she taste any different than yesterday? No. Of course she does. I've had different experiences today, and we all know that this is hot. No need to put it down. We all know that our environment, our experience, also creates. Oh, I knew that heater was going to get hot, and I can turn it off for you guys. It's just burning my leg. So, our experience also creates our food, right? There. So, actually, let's stop there and do that as part one. We'll be back with part two.